Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and today I will be reacting to some of these. Sorry, okay, let's go. I just watched like a couple of minutes. Okay, I thought it was between the legs, in the middle of the legs. Nuh-uh, never mind. He's like, whoa, whoa, oof, bye-bye. That's cool. I wish I had a computer to play tabs with. Oh my god. How? Never mind. I'm not gonna ask that. Wow. Funny. The Bone Mage. I know this guy is the Bone Mage. I'm gonna name each troop, I think. Each troop that the firework archers gonna. I watched so many tabs. People playing tabs. Oh, the Berserker, I think. This is the Berserker. I think. The Mammoth. Wow. Okay, you're dead. Bye-bye. The mammoth literally pushes him off. Ooh, look, it's a halfling. It's like, a little help? But, yeah, okay. He went to heaven. That poor farmer went to farm, but then... Whee! This guy looked chubby. I guess he's dead, I guess. Yep. As soon as you see the troops that... How do you prove a troop that is dead is by, like, their crossed eyes, and also their weapons are dismantled from their hands or not using. Oh, okay. Cool. Scarecrow. Oh my god. Oh, that's that's between that's in the middle. The bard. Ooh, the scarecrow and the bard is super effective. Oh my god. That's just weird. Oh, the squire again. The squire's dead. Bye bye. An archer and a... Okay. A priest. You know, a priest is useless, but it's very useful because I said useless by mistake. I was supposed to say useful, but nah, okay. Yeah, it's true. The troop is dismantled. Oh my, okay. I guess heavy weapons can't even get the range. The king is fighting through. It's hot. It's hot. Imperium. Okay, never mind. Oh! Oh my, oh, whoa! That's crazy. Crazy. That won't help unless you throw it. I think that's the spearman. I forgot to name all of them. This is actually the Spartan. Yeah, this is the Spartan, I think because I always forget the names. A snake archer. It's like, gracefully flying to heaven. Oh, look, it's the bop. That's how I make a fart sound. Okay, wait. This is the... I forgot the name. Okay, this is the Minotaur. I already know. Zeus. Zeus is not my favorite gods of ancient Greeks. My favorite is... Oh, that's right piercing on the belly button. That's... Oh, the ice archers. Not so bad. The ice archers are definitely not my favorite, but it's like second. Oh, the Viking. I think this is a Viking. It looks like a Viking. Oh man! Oh, a berserker. Wait, is this a berserker or was it a barbarian? I don't know. Man, I forgot. A Valkyrie. Nice. Blue victory. Dash. Wait, what? To your doom. Bye-bye, young man. Goodbye. Oh, the warship. The warship. The ship. Before. The red victory. The samurai. Ooh, it deflected it. Oh, I guess, okay, what's that? I think that's the Japan's language. Ooh, whoa. Beyblade, whoa! The blue one. What is this, the monk?
Hey, apa kau? Oh, terima kasih.
What is this? What kingdoms are using Asians? Oh, whoa, that's cool. I think that's the monk. Yeah, that's the monk. The ninja. That must have hurt. The ninjas really often destroy him. The ninja needs a close range throw. Well, he's going to heaven, I guess. Oh, he shot one of them. Okay, the dragons. The Hawacha, my favorite of fun range. The Monkey King, my favorite. Ooh, one of my favorite at least. Wait, the painter. This is the painter. Okay, never mind. He just dodged it and fell to his feet. Amazing. Oh, is this? Yeah, this is the teacher. Ooh, a balloon archer, I think it's named. Bye-bye, balloon. A musketeer, a musket. Oh, that must be painful. Oh, what is this? I don't remember this one. I need to get used to the dynasties and more stuff like the pirates. The cavalry! Woo! Cool. Very weird. The Da Vinci cannon or something like that. No, oh, this is one of the pirates, I think. Ah man, stuck. Really reacting to these videos, really fun. Oh my gosh. Well, that was interesting. Oh, wow. That must have really hurt. Drag him to his doom as well. Oh no! The blue victory. Wait, what? Oh right, he's still alive. He didn't. The cannon! My favorite one. The cannon has been a long time my favorite. Even in the old time, there was this troop called Chicken Man, and also this is the captain, and also Chicken Man, Dark Peasant, and also Super Peasant. That was fun, actually. No. Okay, so I'm gonna end it off here. Well, don't forget to leave a subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below what you think about this guy. So go subscribe to this guy right here. Does super fun content. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and mine and his channel. Yeah, goodbye.